Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the importance of having a digital interactive whiteboard learning tool. This tool helps learners by enhancing student engagement. As you can see here on the first slide, um, the learner and the teacher are both enjoying them on the interactive whiteboard by explaining and finding solutions. So on the next slide, we will engage more on the features of the interactive whiteboard learning tool, and some of the features include touchscreen interface that promotes hands-on learning, which is ideal for visual and kinesthetic learners. It also provides gamified models that uses quizzes and games to boost motivation and encourage growth through fun. The collaborative tool supports teamwork, discussions, and critical thinking development. The multimedia support tool enables learners and teachers to adapt to different learning styles via videos, audios, and images. And the real-time feedback tool offers immediate performance insight to guide learning progress. Alright, on to the next slide, slide number 3. Strategies on how this educational tool will be used. These educational tools facilitate deep learning. It uses simulations, case studies, and problem-solving activities. It connects to theory, to practices with hands-on projects and reflective discussions. It promotes student engagement by using live polls, quizzes, and interactive whiteboards. And it also enables collaboration through group tasks and gamified learning. It makes the content accessible by providing multimedia resources like videos, animations, and audios. It utilizes touchscreens and adaptive tools for diverse learning needs. Slide number 4 continues. Make learning fun and enjoyable by incorporating games, storytelling, and interactive challenges. It uses role-playing and virtual field trips for variety and engagement. And lastly, it promotes critical thinking by designing tasks that require analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. And it encourages debates, discussions, and problem-based learning. In my conclusion, interactive whiteboards revolutionize education by making learning engaging, inclusive, and dynamic. They empower teachers to deliver content more effectively and enable students to interact, collaborate, and think critically. By combining technology with pedagogy, we create classrooms that are not just smart but more connected, creative, and student-centered. Thank you very much. On slide number 6, that is where I get my sources. And my student declaration on the last page. Thank you.